this water. Get in, honey. Here, get in. Get a bath. Get in. Get a bath. Hurry up. Come on. Get a bath. Get in. Come on, get in the water, honey. Go. Get in the water. There you go. Get a bath. Get in there. Good girl. Get in. Get a bath. Go on, finish. Good girl. Keep going. Get a bath. Get a bath. Get a bath. Get in. Good girl. Good girl. Get a bath. Get in. I know you can do it. You do it all. Get in. Good girl. Get in. Go on. Good girl. Get a bath. Does that feel good? Good girl. Get in. Go on. Get in. It's okay. There you go. Get in there. Get in there. Get a bath. All the way. You can do it. Get in. Get a bath. Get a bath. Come on. Get all the way in. Billy. Get a bath. Jody, look. Here. Get a bath. Get a bath. Get in there. Get a bath. Come on. Get a bath, Billy. Step up, not yet. Bath. Get a bath. Bath. Get a bath.
Are you fluffy now?
Get in the water.
Are you fluffy?
Get
Pretty
in the
bird.
water. Here.
Pretty bird. What? What? She's Jody. Are you fluffy now? Pretty bird. Jody. Peekaboo. 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 Turn her. Peekaboo. See, that's not how we. Peekaboo. 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 Quack, quack, quack. Where's Mike? Mike? Want to eat? Want to eat? Jody, want to eat? Jody, do you want to eat? Look what we got. Brand new dishwasher and brand new refrigerator. Let's look inside. This is not planned. Okay. Gosh, my old refrigerator, he didn't have anything. The shelving wasn't deep. Let's see what we got here. Aloe vera. This is some, I can't remember what this is. Oh, wow, I can't remember what this is. Udo's oil, always good. Bee pollen. And Rise and Shine bentonite clay. Talk about that some other time. And some pomegranate juice. Hubby likes all this. This is all our oils. Hemp seed. Get my hands all greasy. And some other oils. Ossia oil. Now remember, this isn't all raw stuff. Husband's almond, what do you call it? Almond milk, duh. Radishes, a little bit of fruit in there, even though that's the meat tray. Some lettuces, romaine. 2 drawers full of, cucumber, lettuces. Yeah, we have Best Foods. It's known as Best Foods on the West Coast and Hellmann's on the East Coast. Canned dog food. Look at this. Check this out. Habanero bulk bought at the Asian market. See this detox formula? Talk about that later too. Ketchup for hubby. All these little yummy stevias, sweet. I put these in my peppermint. And what else we got here? Vanilla cream, chocolate raspberry, cinnamon, plain old stevia right here. Anyway, these are all for, look at this, nettle tincture. Probably can't read it on camera, but anyway, that's what it is. Okay, that's the new fridge, folks. Upper refrigerator, bottom freezer.
I've been running on
I'm
the
not going to open
treadmill
the freezer
for
on the bottom because
one
I
and
don't
a
have
walking
anything
together
but
for
vegetables
about
and
an hour.
I told you I'm going to show you everything. I'm just doing my cool down now. So, you know what I decided? I'm going to do this. I'm going to, sorry. I'm going to work on 5 miles a day, whether it be walking outside, treadmill, or whatever. That's my plan, okay?